Hi, this is Tim at Slide Dynamic. This is just a quick overview of how to embed Autorstream online content within a PowerPoint slide as like an interactive component if it's ever useful. So if I just go and open the Autorstream website, and I'll just go to some slides that we've done, and here you'll see them. So there's only 6, and you can cycle through and you can show and hide the like the thumbnails. If you want to embed it in a PowerPoint slide while you're online, if you go to the customized code, you'll see what it looks like here. So all you simply do is click copy. Close that now, we don't need it. If you go to PowerPoint, and once it's open, I just did a couple of slides here. I'm just going to add the text that I'd copied, and if you search through it, you'll find HTTP, some code starting HTTP, and if you copy it all the way until the end of the speech marks, you'll see here, and click copy, and go and add a slide that we want to put the piece of content in. If you go to the developer tab, but if you can't see it, just Google it, you'll find out how to show it in PowerPoint. Just go to the hammer and sort of spanner icon, which is more controls. If you go down until you find shockwave flash object, and click OK, and the cursor turns to a crosshair. If you drag it to whatever size that you want, right click, go to properties, where it says movie in the properties field, click paste, and you'll see that piece of code then added. This sometimes works when you just play it, but sometimes it doesn't. So I'll click save and click close, and then I'll just reopen it. And if I now go into show mode, so that's my first slide. That was the code. We don't obviously need that now. But if you come here, you'll see the piece of content, and if I click play, I'm on a bit of a slow connection. Can't actually see it, but you can just cursor through it, or you'll see here just off the screen slightly because of the way my screen resolution is set. You can cursor through, or you can hit this little icon here as you did in online, and you can see the various sort of thumbnails. So it's just a nice way I've found of putting bits of content in a PowerPoint slide that you want to be interactive, but you don't necessarily want to go through all the trouble of kind of setting up PowerPoint to do it. So it could be like case studies or whatever it might be. Piece of content, and then making a piece of content interactive. And by that way, you can sort of build up loads of content online and then just embed those content items. And it just offers a bit of a different way of showing content in PowerPoint, only if it's useful. Anyway, that was it. Thank you very much.